Welcome to my channel. Before you attempt this repair, you need to know that the front sensors can permanently disable Face ID, and if you don't use Apple's tools or go to an authorized repair center, you may lose display calibration. Also, opening the device yourself will void your warranty. So, unless you're confident in your skills, take your device to an Apple store or authorized service provider. To replace the iPhone 15 Pro Max display, you'll need a Pentalobe P2 screwdriver, a tri-point Y000 screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a suction cup or screen opening tool, plastic prying tools, tweezers, and a heat gun or eye opener. You'll also need a replacement display. You can use an OEM or a high-quality iPhone 15 Pro Max display. The process is similar for all of them. Step 1. Power off the phone. Step 2. Remove the two Pentalobe screws next to the charging port. Step 3. Use a heat gun or eye opener to heat the edges of the phone. Step 4. Use a suction cup at the bottom edge of the display and pry gently with a plastic tool. Start at the bottom and work your way up. Open the screen like a book. Keep the left side slightly vertical. Step 5. Disconnect the battery before unplugging the display connectors. Step 6. Disconnect the Face ID and display flex cables. Step 7. Remove the screen. Step 8. Transfer the components to the new display if needed. Connect the display cables and battery. Power on the device and test the screen. Step 9. If everything is working, turn off the phone again, reseal the display and press it gently into place. Reinstall the screws. Step 10. Test Face ID, touch response, brightness, color accuracy. True Tone might be disabled unless you transferred the screen data using special tools. If you want to avoid all this risk, you can always take your phone to an Apple store or authorized service provider and let them do the repair for you. Or you can use Apple Self-Service Repair to buy the parts and rent the tools to do it yourself. Thank you for watching.